with Daddy.
Okay.
Kira.
Are you helping?
Kira. Go sit with Daddy.
Oh yeah, she loves
What do you think, Caroline?
Awesome. That's so cool.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, they love these things. Oh yeah.
Carrot's watching.
Lots of independent play in this thing.
She looks overwhelmed.
You'll love it, Shauna. You'll like drag her all around the house.
I'm sure.
All around the house.
She's not standing though. She's Superman.
Is she?
Yes.
Let's see her little legs.
Kira, let Caroline play. What are those, Kira?
Alligators? Look at your little legs, Caroline. Are you flying? You're so funny. Where's the airplane? There's your airplane. Are you gonna share? Look at Caroline, she's so busy. Yep.
Oh, big time.
Oh, that's why we bought it, for the monkeys. Do you like that, baby girl? Get the monkeys. Get them. Get them.
We got her when Lucy
Okay. Hi. Hi. Too busy. Too busy. Hi. Hi. Are you happy?